Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you my strategy which made me over 20k this week alone. So I'm going to be back testing from Monday 27 January to 31 January Friday, okay? And all of these are just for fair value gap fields. So the pair I'm trading is Dow Jones, so YM right there. The time frame I'll be using is 4 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour, okay? And the indicators that I have on the chart is Asia session, London session, opening and close, and this line is the new day. So right there is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, okay? So first of all, what do? We mark previous day's high and low and session high and low, okay? So right there, and right there. And you can mark the low right there too. Here, let's just mark them all, okay? Right there. But we can remove them, these ones. All right, and then what do? You go on the 4 hour, you look for any fair value gaps, okay? So right there, I can see one fair value gap right there. 2 hour. Then you go on the lower time frame. If needed, you can adjust it, okay? If not, you just leave it. So, and then on the 1 hour, you can go right there. And then I take my entries after, so I'm on the market. I'm looking for trades at 9 till 11, okay? And what's it called? When I take my trades, I stay on the 1 hour time frame, okay? So this is very easy, very simple. Now, as right there, so I take my trade. Right now, I am risking 100 point take profit for 50 stop loss, okay? And I am doing 2 contracts. Log in, okay. Yeah. So, but you can risk whatever contract, it doesn't matter. But I am risking 1 to 2, 50 for 100. So, as you can see right there, at 9, it filled in this fair value gap, and I got my profit. If you wanted to, so it filled in this fair value gap perfectly, and I made my 1 to 2, 50 stop loss, 100 point take profit, okay? And if you wanted more, you could aim for, look what we marked right there. It filled in perfectly. This is Asia high, okay? So super easy fair value gap fill to the next one right there. This is Monday. So let's say so I am risking 2 contracts, which is $500 multiplied by 5 account. This is 5k right there, okay? Next day, same thing. You mark previous day high, the market session high, low, and no, this is 9, okay? But when the line align like that, you can just remove them and put them how you like, so like that. Okay, then you look for fair value gaps. Go on the 4 hour. Right there, there's one. Scale down to the 2 hour. Adjust it if needed. 1 hour. And right there. And look, super easy. At 9, it filled this fair value gap. Right there. You go in a buy. And 1 to 2, risk to reward. You got your trade again, another W, so that's 5k again. I say 5k, but if you risk $100, that's $200, so it doesn't matter. But it's just to show you how much I made personally. So yeah, 1 hour fair value gap right there filled. You want to aim to London high, you can. Look right there, perfect. Or you just want to stick to your 1 to 2 right there. Now you go to the next day. Same thing. high and low. So when I finish this video, guys, if you wanna backtest and see, this could be very, very easy for you guys to make money, okay? So yeah, same thing right there, right there. And now we go on the 4 hour, look for any fair value gaps. Then you see on the 4 hour, scale down. Did you see any on the 2 hour? No. Some days there's none, so none that you can see on the higher time frame. So stay on the 1 hour and then you look for market session fill. So either break and retest or you just wait. So since we have no fair value gaps, then I go on the 15-minute right there. We were Wednesday. Then as you can see right there, so it filled in this at 9:30. It came and ran Asia high. So I got into the trade, okay. And then it rejected correctly, but maybe at 10 we had news or something, I don't remember. But anyway, I got stopped out. So here, that's minus 250, 2,500. But then I waited, and at 11, so right there at 10:45 it breaks structure. So I was okay, let's wait for a retrace so I can enter. At 11 it did the retrace, so I entered. And then at 12:45, same thing, I got my 1 to 2. Or you could aim right there, London low, if you want it more, okay. So this means this was a 1L, 1W for 2,500, because I lost one trade, won one trade. And now, same thing, next day. Remove those, this, and this. Previous days, high and low. Market session, high and low. All right, and then same thing. So where are we? 6, 7, 8. So this is not useful. You can remove this. So already at 9, you can see it came very close to Asia, no, not Asia, to London low, okay? So if you wanted to take a trade, personally I wouldn't because it didn't hit it, but you could have. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the trade I took though. 4 hour. Any fair value gaps? Where are we? I don't see any. Go on the 2 hour. Right there I can see one. Fair value gaps. 1 hour. And right there, as you can see, that's 3 days in a row except this one. They all hit, reject, and since you're on the 1 hour, it's clear, everything is clear. So right there, what is this? 9 filled in this fair value gap, and 1 to 2, even 10 did the same thing. It filled in and dropped. So if you want to hold, no, you would had a loss if you hold all this way. So that's why I only hold 1 to 2s, okay? So that's another 5K right there. And now we are Friday. Friday, same thing. You go on the 4 hour. I seen this right there. Okay, wait. So I seen this right there, but then when you go on the 2 hour, this is the 8 hour candle, which is down. So this doesn't do it right there. So you could put it right there. 1 hour, right there. So you can see at 9, it ran the previous day's high and this mini fair value gaps. there's a little wick right there, so you can see. And same thing, 1 to 2, or you could aim for this low, Asia low. Easy. So as you can see, that's another 5k. So only this week, 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, or if you only take one trade per day, this is a loss. But anyway, that's 20k in a week, just using fair value gaps. Very simple, 4 to 1 hour time frame, like I said. So yeah guys, that was the backtest for this week. If you guys enjoyed it, just please subscribe, it means a lot for me. And there's a free community in the bio if you want to join. We share trades, life advice, whatever, just to help better each one of us. Okay, so yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thanks.